For nearly 160 years, Alabama State University has prepared students to lead, innovate, and make a lasting impact. Today, that mission takes another major step forward. Located in Marion, Alabama, the Atlas Complex by Callan JMB was created to help address one of America's most pressing challenges: rebuilding a resilient domestic pharmaceutical supply chain, transforming the historic former Judson College campus into a center for pharmaceutical manufacturing, research, workforce development, and healthcare preparedness. The Atlas Complex is bringing together industry, innovation, and education to strengthen the nation's ability to produce and deliver critical medicines. Now, Alabama State University and Callan JMB are partnering to ensure students are at the center of that mission, building on a trusted relationship that began during the COVID-19 pandemic. This partnership creates new opportunities for ASU students and faculty to participate in applied research, workforce development, internships, and hands-on industry experience. Students won't just study pharmaceutical manufacturing, biotechnology, quality assurance, regulatory compliance, healthcare logistics, and supply chain management. They'll have the opportunity to work alongside companies establishing operations at the Atlas Complex, gaining practical experience while preparing for careers in one of America's most strategically important industries. Founded in Marion before relocating to Montgomery, Alabama State University is returning to its roots in a powerful new way, helping drive innovation, create economic opportunity, and strengthen the community where its story first began. Together, Alabama State University and Callan JMB are building more than a partnership. They are preparing the workforce that will help shape the future of American pharmaceutical innovation, while strengthening the nation's healthcare resilience for generations to come.